Today I'm unboxing the Daikin iHeat water heater, which is the best water heater, especially for electric water heater for the price. This is a whole house water heater, and it's a tankless water heater that saves so much money, and the cost is very inexpensive to buy. I will now disassemble the water heater to show you what type of voltages it has and how it's made, so you will know how to install it. This water heater is uses three 220 volt inlets for the electrical. So that's three separate breakers. One separate breaker for these two terminals, one separate breaker for these two terminals, one separate breaker for these two terminals. Also, this is the water hookup. The cold water goes on this side. Inlet cold water. The cold water goes through each one of these terminal heaters, electrical inserts, and as it's going through, it is so efficient that it heats the water by the time it comes out this side. Like I said before, this water heater is so efficient and it's so cost effective because it uses the 220 at 40 amps each. So about the time it comes out, it's reaching a temperature of 130 degrees with about a 60 or 70 degrees in, 130 degrees out. This is the electrical readout where you can change the temperature. This is a contact for these two springs where you can change the temperature up or down from this water heater. I never actually seen a water heater that lasted so long. The first time I bought one, it lasted over 8 years, and it's so easy to maintain that all of this stainless steel tubing, when you get ready to change an element out, you just unscrew the element out of the tube, connect it back in and screw it back in and connect the terminals back to each one of the elements. The iHeat water heater that I chose was a 27,000 watts or 27 kW. The reason why I chose this water heater because I have 3 bathrooms, and of course this is a tankless water heater, which means you don't have to heat and cool water in the tank and pay the cost of heating and cooling water all day. This is an instantaneous heat that only start heating water when you turn your water faucet on. It has the electronics to actually start heating water as the water is flowing through the unit. The water heater that I purchased was for 3 bathrooms, so you can look in the description below and find it on Amazon.com. This is my worn out, dated, old tank water heater. Now I still use this water heater as a backup for my tankless water heater, just in case my tankless is in disrepair. I'll still use this water heater and I can still have hot water until I get it fixed. But this tank water heater is not efficient because it uses gas to heat. It has to heat 40 gallons at a time. And then once the 40 gallons cool off without you even using it, it comes back and heat and reheat this water all over again. Now this is my tankless water heater, beautiful stainless steel, and if you want to turn the temperature, you can turn the temperature up or down, and it tells the water going in and the water coming out as the water gets hotter. The thing that I love about the iHeat water heater or tankless water heaters is that when you turn the faucet on your hot water, I'm going to show you a video of what the water heater starts doing. As soon as you turn the water on, The iHeat water heater tells you the temperature that you set it at. It tells you the temperature that the water is coming in, and it tells you the temperature as the water go up to the 130 degrees Fahrenheit.